iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiski Times asiyo dozere iPolokwane City 1 Mamelodi Sundowns 0. Labethwa iqala Mamelodi Sundowns okuqala kule season kwi-league. Ubuye sakhumbula kahle kwi-season edlulileyo bakwazi into bake badlale i-season yonke bengakhange babethwe bazobethwa ke kwimizuzu engamashumi amathathu last 30 minutes of the season apho khona baluze umdlalo wabo wokuqala. Ithetha ntoni elandeleyo asazi ngoba ke i-season isaqala kodwa ke sizayibona eqenqelikeni kwayo i-season into ba ingaba le i-loss ithetha into enkulu ukodlula lento siyibonayo na. Congratulations to Polokwane City, commiserations to Mamelodi Sundowns, well deserved win for Polokwane City. Bobo, what do you make of the game, sir?
Kule unjani mfethu?
Yes sir, yes sir.
I know right but ithi ngibulise machiteni.
Yes sir.
Kuleko mina ngigrand but ngifuna ukubongisa iPolokwane City. Congratulations to Polokwane City, the coach and the technical team.
Sure.
I think the way benza ngakhona it's something esidingayo mina ukuya ngami njenge football lovers yaseMzansi ukuthi those so-called small team must go and play against lama team esicabanga ukuthi ma-team amakhulu. If ungabheka iPolokwane City today beyifuna win. Ngifuna ukutshela manga.
They never parked the bus.
iSundowns ayidlalanga, let us be honest. Angeke lokho sithi sizokulungisa sithi iSundowns idlale kahle. Ayidlalanga nix because at the end of the day goalkeeper wePolokwane City bekazokhela ayikho into abekayenza. Uyazokhela nje ayikho into azoyenza. So mina ngiyambona wami ngibona iPolokwane City beyideserve le win. And sibe nenhlanhla bekumele siphanishe mhlambe ngabo ma 3 goals ukuya ngami. Sibe nenhlanhla kule game because they missed a lot of chances team efana nePolokwane City. So for me congratulations to them, they did very well. As a coach sometimes angeke ikuncede lento kuhlala upaka ibhasi ungazi ukuthi uattack kanjani, you understand? So you must have a plan ukuthi okay ngidlala neteam ethize we analyze kanjani na, you understand, so that kuba easy for when you play. So they did very well. Ngifuna ukutshela manga, look at the way Sundowns idlale ngakhona ungafunga ukuthi abadlali beSundowns ngathi manje bakhathelele ukuthi okay ucoach yazochange ama line up but those players they are ready to bangadlala kulama game lawo. Ba ready ngitshela ngequality yalabadlali.
Yeah, usually I mean banokushuta abadlali beSundowns. When Sundowns is playing every day during a match without failing, the cameraman will find a way to find Sundowns players in the stands. And most of the time all of us will say, yo, they still have quality players in the stands. So those players who are quality players on the stands, they got a chance today and they didn't work. They didn't use that opportunity, some of the players.
Akekho umuntu obekashota today. Sundowns beyiphelele. So okay umunye umuntu angasho mhlawumbe ukuthi nalabadlali abafana nabo Ritor. Lapho sozokhuluma uzokhuluma mase siyokhuluma ngama game, mase sikhuluma sithi sifuna ukungena phakathi egamini ukuthi okay if kunabadlali abafana nalabo kwenzeka kanjani, you understand? Because njengamanje mangabheka we are struggling uba ne number 10 yokuthi mhlawumbe khona ukudlalisa i-team. Sometimes you need a players okhona ukudlalisa i-team, but if we are struggling udlala ngama department wazi ukuthi if kuleko you fail to create ama chances you score kanjani to create those chances then abadlali ba miss.
Maybe it begs the question ukuthi do you have a player to do what Tembazwana usually does at Sundowns? Because it's easy to not appreciate the player. I know some of the Sundowns fans, you love him, you appreciate him, but then some people will say no. Because every season, Uzwane, we nominate midfielder of the season. And every season, Angakorela 10 goals, 10 assists. When he's not there, do you notice Uguti there's anyone who can fill in that gap?
Yeah, I think umdlalo ofana no Lucas as number 10, Lucas Ribeiro. Lucas, uyakhona ukuyifita i-front line. Uyakhona ukubanikeza amabhola uma ngaba khona Lucas. So ukusho ngendlela mina ngibona ngakhona wena Nkuleko uma ngabe awunayo lo mdlalo kunendlela kumele sesidlale ngayo, because if you're going to play uT1 will take onke amabhola awamikisa kubo Reiners. Phela you are telling them more le bhola i-traveler emoyeni. We are telling wonke ama defender are ready. Bheka uMathuludi ubheke uNikani kube ubani unkwe kube nale out le enyedlala noNikani in center back ukanki they seba ready ukuthi lizoza kithi and ubenza ba switch on mina ukuya ngami, understand? Kanti sometimes if udlala uma uceda then wazi ukuthi ubabamba la ufuna ukubamba khona ngibona kuyinto right, but hard luck kuyiSundowns ayisinikezanga game today. Ngibone noTsobe kalala lapha ngasho ukuthi ngibone noTsobe kalala uma ngabe kuzoba nomlandeli iSundowns azothi sidlale kahle angifuni ukutshela manga uzabe yasikhohlisa azidlalanga kahle today. So kusho wona ukuthi mangabe sizochubeka sidlala ngalendlela lesi choose ama game kuzoba nzima for ukuthi sifuna ukuthatha le league the way sijwayele ukuthi sithatha ngakhona.
The interesting thing though, sorry to cut you.
Yes.
You and Paris have played the same team, Polokwane City.
Yeah.
But the interesting thing is that the approach at Polokwane City, Orlando, okay, I can understand Orlando is a slaughterhouse. They were very defensive, Bakora. Like, I think they were lost 3-0, if I'm not mistaken. I think Mahopa came in and scored a goal. The opening goal was scored by Osaleng as well. We were watching it a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
And then they're playing against you, another big team, and they were fearless. They decided not to defend against you. What do you think is the difference? Is it because of the ground, the Peter Mokaba Stadium is maybe narrower, they trust themselves there, as opposed to Orlando, which they were behind the ball, they offered nothing in that game?
Yes, Nagologo is not an excuse the Sundowns to lose the ground. But senza mukjelo ne ground ya counter somehow ukuthi mangabe ground lincane, you know ukuthi Sundowns ifuna ukuzonokha ibhola kuqala ne. So if you are going to press them ungabaniki leso space kuyoba nzima for bona ukudlala because siyoba sazi ukuthi space asibanikezi. So I think ucoach uba nophuthi uhlanganiphe kakhulu uyiridile i-Sundowns ukuthi njalo bekangafuni ukunikeza i-Sundowns leso space. Bheka la phakathi ulethu Alexander waletha uba nomaphangule then sekunobani uKambalo uyabuya uzo-eda so kusho kona ukuthi ufuna ukubulala la i-Sundowns idominate khona ngebhola ukuthi no i-Sundowns ingadlali yabona. So ngibona mina vele nje ukuthi i-team efana nayo iPolokwane beyideserve nkuleka sesikhulumeni iqiniso beyideserve the way badlale ngakhona. So lo mbuzo lo uqeda ukungibuza wona,
I'm looking at their approach.
When you approach ama-game, you don't approach them the same.
Yeah, look, but they were playing against two big teams. So I'm looking at it from a perspective of Polokwane.
Yeah.
You're playing Sundowns, you're playing Pirates. Yeah. Maybe they learned their lesson with Pirates. Okay, we were defensive there, every man behind the ball, and we lost. So there's no need to be defensive. Maybe the field as well. I do think that the narrowness of that field kind of forces them. They can't be defensive because it's a small pitch. But at Orlando, they could be that. But from the first whistle today, they were not fearful of the Sundowns, but they were fearful of the Pirates.
I-Pirates idlala ngama-winger. That is why bothola kubenzima kubomathuludi ukuthi bakhuphuke. So uma udlala ne-team efana ne-Pirates isebenzisa ama-winger kakhulu. So if uzofuna ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyilanda pound to pound, uzovula space. And the more uvula space, banabadlala abane-speed, abane-pace. Abadlala abafana nabo umdlalo ofana no ubani uSaleng umufukeng bane-speed. So uyabona ukuthi uma balanda pound to pound uzoba na i-cover na angeke kube nayo. But i-Sundowns ungayo i-attacker because you know ukuthi the more ni lose ibhola ukubuya kwenu ngapha ningaba sendizamile ukugroupa even though bazi ukuthi lamalanga ucoach wethu especially ucoach Manqoba akasafuni ukuthi alinokho i-build up libe too much ufuna ukuhamba but the pitch is small uzothi ukuthi mabathi malithi ugoalkeeper yaphuma uyalithola yabona. So I think nako lokho bayiride kahle bona bayi-analyze kahle ama-game afana nalawo ukuthi Pirates and Sundowns are not the same especially uma ngabe ibhola lingasinabo nanoma ibhola linabo kunemehluko omkhulu kabi.
Yeah. No one expected you guys to lose this game. Yeah. How do you feel as a Sundowns fans losing against Polokwane City?
I think as a Sundowns fan, ayikho mnandi, but into engakutshela yona ukuthi ebholeni you will win some, you will lose some, you will draw some. So you have to understand ukuthi kuba nesikhathi la khona opponent uma ngabe kuplanele kahle you are going to lose ama-game afana lawo. But akusho ukuthi losing these games kumele ukuthi wena as a Sundowns supporter you must press a panic button ukuthi no ngathi izinto no. This is a marathon, this is a league, you understand? Yes, it's right to lose ama-game because i-league sometimes you touch first round, you understand? So into engayisho ukuthi Skati asikho ukuthi uthathe league. Look at the Pirates 5 out of 5. Thina sigcine kudala ukuthi mkhambe boma 3 season back ukuthi sibe nama lose
early.
So nako lokho sometimes ungumlandeli we-Sundowns kungaku affecta lokho ukuthi thina sijwayele ukuthi sidlala ama 10 games without a lose. But it's a wake up call. Team efana ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. We are still going to play Cape Town City midweek. After Cape Town City, salamanya ama-game ngathi i-Chiefs abengekho aware ukuthi mhlambe soba sine-Chiefs but what I mean ukuthi sidlala ne-Cape Town City. No ngendlela
ikutraumatizile i-Cape Town City ingakho uzoyikhumbula ngoba yiyo ekushayile la.
No angisho sidlulile kule game leyo kumele ukuthi sazi ukuthi sidlala nani the next game yabona.
But otherwise not the end of the world for you. You're not pressing any panic buttons.
Yeah injalo we are not pressing a panic button. I think into kumele ukuthi team izobuyela ku drawing board bazobona ukuthi okay kukuphi but into mina ngeke ngivuma ukuthi sizothi bekushoda ubani. I-Sundowns beyingashoti. I-Sundowns inabadlali labadlali bonke abalapha abadlali be-Sundowns. So people must understand ukuthi i-Sundowns iluzile. We must give credit kuPolokwane City. We are not saying Sundowns ngoba idlala kahle iPolokwane City ayenzanga kahle. No yenze kahle iPolokwane City. They did very well today. That is why they managed to bathole lawo that maximum point for bona. I think bancede kakhulu. I think baya ku number 4 if I'm not mistaken.
Sure.
Yeah, iPolokwane City. So congratulations to Polokwane City.
There you go. Thank you very much to Bobo. Sibulile kakhulu ke kuBobo nakuni bantu babukeleyo emakhaya. ekhaya siqhobele izandla ke naye iPolokwane City liqela kulamaqela amabini ebelilona bengekho mathuba amaninzi kumaqela amabini kodwa ke elona qela belinamathuba alumezayo nangakumbi ibiyiPolokwane City njengoba betshilo Bobo kwasekuqaleni kwevideo intoba bekufanele mhlawumbe bakore amanqaku amabini okanye amanqaku amathathu ngokwamathuba abawacreatileyo. Ingaba loo nto leyo iyaxhalabisa kwi-Sundowns? Sayibona against iCape Town City, siyibone against iKaizer Chiefs. Kusaqalwa kwisizini njengonabi intoba sizambona naye kweminye imidlalo intoba le match ayibethiwe izolo kuyo ingaba ine-significant meaning na. Okwangoku njengoba kusaqalwayo sawusonga izandla sibukele. Bethiwe umqeqeshi uManqoba Mnqethisi iStellenbosch, saphinda sambetha iStellenbosch futhi ubethiwe iPolokwane City namhlanje. Mhlambi ixesha liyancenceza in the next couple of months sizambona ke into yoba uzawuphinda bethwe kweminye imidlalo. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, all sports betting. Thank you for watching us.